In this video, we're going to take a look at how to play the B minor chord, a bar chord. One of the more difficult chords to play if you're new to playing the guitar. Bar chords involve a different way of actually approaching the fretboard as well as the notes itself. And a bar chord, like it says, we are going to bar our finger across the entire, well, more than one string basically. So we're going to go across basically 5 strings here. All right. That's what makes the bar chord so difficult, because now we got to incorporate the other fingers here. What I would suggest, if you are new to this and it's difficult to even considering that type of formation with the hands, I have a video where I just show you how to play an A minor chord. Okay, and I'm using these 3 fingers right here. So if this is new to you, just pay attention. This could be a good little trick to get you up to speed a little bit quicker. For the A minor chord, I go open, second finger, I should say the 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then open on the 1st string. And I use this configuration right here with my fingers, my index, middle, and ring. If I was to shift how I played these and then actually move everything down one finger, so to speak, I would then fret the note like the chord like this. I'd go, again, open on the 1st string. I'm going to go 2nd on the 1st string, and then 2 and 2 on the next strings, with that top string, that 5th string still open. That's my A minor chord. But if I can get in the habit of fretting the notes this way, I can shift this, and this finger is already in position to just lie right across the strings. And what I'm doing here is this finger is going across the 5, the 5th string, the 8th string, and it just lies all the way down to the high E string, which is the 1st string. That's your B minor chord. So what we're doing here is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. And we're not playing the low E string at all. So again, from the way I just kind of described it, I would get these fingers in the position first, right here, and then my bar chord goes right, my barred finger goes right across it. And that would get me in the position for the B minor chord. A little bit of a different way to approach it. If bar chords seem scary, they're really not. It's a little bit difficult at first to kind of get your fingers to do things they probably haven't thought of doing before, but that's a good way to approach it, just to get your fingers moving. And you can go up and down the neck, and you can play any type of bar chord with the root on the 5th string. All right. Thanks for stopping by.